Hi Cybertruck fans, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline. We are out of the office today, not on a rooftop, not in a beautiful parking structure around Los Angeles, but actually out at the park because we thought this would be a beautiful way for us to go ahead and showcase and share with you T-Max Charcoal Blue Color Change PPF film on this brand new Cybertruck. As you can see, we wrapped all the exterior stainless steel panels using this beautiful new charcoal blue color. And you know what? We've done a lot of blues, and this one's actually quite special. The reason I like it so much is that it actually is a very dark indigo shade of blue, has a little bit of charcoal gray tones in it, but when the sun hits it, it comes alive just a little. Take a look at this metallic blue flake that just kind of shines when the sun hits it at the right angle. And when it doesn't, it's a really nice dark shade of blue. Color Change PPF is the way to go to wrap your Cybertruck for a variety of reasons. Number one, you're protecting your Cybertruck. Number two, you're achieving what you ultimately wanted, and that was getting out of that stainless steel look, getting rid of that fingerprint nightmare, and having a color of choice. T-Max PPF film comes with a 10-year warranty. It is scratch resistant, it's hydrophobic, it's very easy to keep clean, and it actually has even self-healing properties. Pretty cool, right? Now, after we finished wrapping this Cybertruck, we tinted it using the best film in the industry, made by 3M, and that's called ceramic IR. This film will actually cool your interior by up to 15 degrees on those hot summer days and give you a 99% UVA and UVB rejection of rays to protect your skin and protect the interior. Now let's jump into the wheels. 24s, my favorite. CTMs, my favorite. Fully forged wheels, finished in satin black. Really nice colorway for this wrap. It complements all the cladding, all the bumpers. I love the satin finish. As you all know, I have gloss black ones on my Cybertruck. And these 24-inch tires are the perfect fit. The only 24-inch tire that is the perfect fit for a Cybertruck made by Nitto. These are called the Recon Grapplers. It's a full all-terrain tire, and we're off the normal terrain today. Check it out. What do you guys think? Please share some comments below. I love hearing from you. And as always, if you like our content and you'd like to see some more Cybertruck videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. I have a lot more coming.